Haga fila, make a line. Everybody make a line.
Everybody, line.
Toma, Chira.
Make a line.
Vete, Rocky.
Vamos.
Ahora le falta un cartero ahí grande.
Vamos, vamos, vamos. Es así.
Ese está derritiendo.
Dale vuelta que no se prenda ya.
Ya, sí, pa. Dale, pásase la mano.
Es que está caliente eso ahí.
Toma, toma.
No, todavía le falta.
Burn or no burn?
No burn.
That's not burn.
Give me.
Espérate, papi, espérate.
You gotta wait.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Dale. Next one, next. Come on, give me yours. Vamos, who's next? Dale, dame el palo de eso, ven.
Oh, it's supposed to melt this.
Es que ya, sí, you gotta press it.
Woo.
Está caliente.
Ah.
That's what I mean, you have to press it. Press it with the cracker. You press it with the cracker, put it like that. Look, and then you press it with the cracker like that. There you go. You see? Go.
Así, Clary, así.
Slide it out.
Light it out.
Hold it. Wait, hold. Vamos, next, Carlo, wait. Put it down and slide it out. Okay?
I know.
Vamos, next.
No, you can't do that. Don't do that. Look.
You don't do that?
No,
What are you supposed to do? Tell me. What are you
you
supposed to do?
just put a little bit on the cracker.
Oh, it's good. Don't worry about it.
I put my log. Because I'm my finger. I got it.
It's not. It's good.
Hold the cracker. I know. Slide it out. Look at my hand. So sticky. Okay, hold me.
Ahora sí. Ahora para el grown-up. The grown-up wants more.
Pero ustedes sacaron la piedra grande de ahí.
La dos.
Giancarlo y
A mí me encanta, yeah.
Good. It's just a little burn. The other one is good.
¿A quién más ya?
I make them like that in the house.
Joshua.
That's more. I don't like them.
Oh, it feels good to stand up after a while, you know?
It's like strong.
Ah, no, que no.
Hold on, mira. That little rock. That's what the rock is.
Mira, papi, que se ve.
Primo, está bueno.
Ay, por Dios, gente no sabía.
Ay, por Dios.
Ya la baby. No la vamos a la baby.
Los muertos.
Look.
Chicho.
Mío, José, el que va.
Chicho.
Me agarré hasta la barriga, reina, diablo, qué mala. No, ya. Redo.
Yo, after this quick game's over. I'm requesting a new friend.
Mira, tengan su palma.
You know what it is, though? I'll show her how you eat. Look, she's eating hers.
When you're done, I'll give you another one.
You want to sit down?
Toma ya, tú vas a seguir.
Sit down on the rock, baby.
Tú vas a seguir.
You don't want to sit down?
No, eso me quemó la mano.